Hey guys, the live Q&A calls are really exciting events because we get students from all over the world. But this also means that we have a lot of time zones that we need to cover. The live calls happen at only one particular time and date. So to avoid confusion, please check to see what is the correct time and date for your particular area. We offer a few of the most common ones on our pages, but knowing that we have students from all over the world is always a lot more easier to just check for the exact time and date for you. And here is how you can do that very easily and very fast using World Time Buddy in like 30 seconds or less. Let's take an example of a live Q&A call happening on Tuesday, January 15, 3 p.m. US Eastern Standard Time, or EST time code. We will go to worldtimebuddy.com, and then here we will type the reference time, which is Eastern Standard Time. So EST, we can type that, or write Eastern, and it's the same. We'll use this, we'll drag it here, be our reference point. And now we will add our own time zone. So for example, let's say we are in Mountain Time. You either write Mountain Time or MST if you know the code. Or for example, let's say we are in Europe and we want to know what London time is, right? Or let's say we are on the other side of the globe and we want to see in Australia what time is. So let's say Australia, Sydney here. Good. Now we said that the reference call is on Tuesday, January 15, 3 p.m. So we will go on the calendar, go on Tuesday 15th, go to 3 p.m. here. We check, is Tuesday correct? 3 p.m. And we see when this is happening. So in Mountain Time, it will be 1 p.m. the same day. In London, it will be 8 p.m. on the same day. And in Australia, it will be the next day at 7 a.m. That's pretty much it. That was all, guys. Hope it was helpful for you, and I hope to see you all in our live Q&A calls.